Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WIX website on your mobile phone using WIX application. So first of all, you need to download and open your WIX application from the App Store and Google Play Store. And then you just have to sign in or create a new WIX account if you haven't already. Now, when you do so, you are going to see this type of home page in front of you where you are going to see your profile icon, and right next to your profile icon, you will see the my site option. So simply select this my site option and then select the option of create new. Now over here you can either continue to create your website with the help of an AI, or you can select the option of skip the chat and then you can select the type of website that you are creating. So for example, you are creating a portfolio website, so you just have to select that and press next. Then you need to select the type of website it is, whether it is a simple blog, whether it is an event website, booking website, or any other website. So here, let's say I want to select a blog, and now you need to give your website a name. Then simply press the option of let's go. Now you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait until it is creating the website for you. When it is ready, simply select the option of go to the dashboard. And now when you come back over here and when you select the option, you are going to see your website which will be created successfully. So you can just simply select your website, and then you can go to the editor section. You can change the site name, the text, image, the color, the logo, and the contact details from this particular view. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.